Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel yvscrochetart. Today let's continue part 2 of the video. So now I have taken white color yarn. So before I have lifted out into the previous round, now we have to join the white yarn into the puff stitch in the same manner. Now we have to work on 1, 2, 3, 4, consider as 1 triple crochet plus 1 chain for the gap, and work on a triple crochet stitch into the same puff stitch. So for second triple crochet and 1 chain, and work on 1 more triple crochet into the same stitch. So for 3 plus 1 chain, and into the same stitch again work on 1 triple crochet plus 1 chain. Like that we have to work on 8 triple crochets with 1 chain in between. Okay, so now look, 2, 4, 6, 8 triple crochets with 1 chain in between, and into the next look we have to skip 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and into the fifth stitch we have to work on a single crochet stitch. Again into the next puff stitch we have to work on 8 triple crochets with 1 chain in between, like previous we have done, right? In the same manner we have to do, look, 1 triple crochet plus 1 chain, 2 triple crochet, 2 triple crochet plus 1 chain, and third triple crochet plus 1 chain. Like that we have to work on 8. Okay, now skip 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and into the fifth stitch we have to work on a single crochet. Again into the next puff stitch we have to work on 8 triple crochets with 1 chain in between. In the same way we have to work till the end. At last, look, I have done 8 triple crochets, and into the fifth stitch I'm going to work on a single crochet, and into the next, starting into the fourth stitch we have to work on a slip stitch. Okay, plus 1 chain and cut the remaining yarn. Look, next round also have done, but I'll show you how I did. So look, started with in every gap I have done double crochet and a picot stitch for the finishing touch. So in each space we have to work on a double crochet, 3 chain and a picot stitch to make the border. Again 1 double crochet into the next chain space plus 3 chain and a picot stitch. Into the next chain space we have to work on a double crochet plus 3 chain and a picot stitch. Like that we have to work on 7 double crochets and a picot stitches. Okay, in each space we have to work on a double crochet and a 3 chain and a picot stitch. So look, this was the last one. Make a picot stitch, and into the last next space work on 1/2 double crochet, into the next space work on 1/2 double crochet, and join together, work on 3 chain and make a picot stitch. Wait, why I'm going so fast? I'll show you slowly. Look, now I'm going to remove it fast again. What we have to do is, into the next space, last space, we have to work on 1/2 double crochet, and into the next first space we have to work on 1/2 double crochet. Now yarn over, pull over the 3 loops together and work on 3 chain, and we have to work on a picot stitch. We have to combine these both ends. Okay, now in next spaces we have to work on normal, like with double crochet stitches and 3 chain and a picot stitch. Into 7 gaps we have to work in the same manner. Look, this was the last. Okay, now again we have reached the last space, and into the first space work on 1/2 double crochet into the last, and work on 1/2 double crochet into the first gap. Yarn over together and work on 3 chain, and now we have to work on a picot stitch. Look, it will look like this. Look, I have completed last round. Now we are going to work on the middle star stitch. Okay, for that we have to, look, we have done 2 double crochets with 1 chain, right? So like that we have done with 16 double crochets, that means 16 clusters We have to skip 2 cluster and we have to look, have taken red color yarn. Now join this to the previous round with the front double crochet into any of the chain space. There we have done 1 double crochet, right? In that stitch we have to work on a front double crochet stitch. Okay, now work on 1 2 3 chain. Again we have to skip 2 clusters of 2 double crochets, 1 and 2. Okay, skip those both and into the next double crochet right there. Into that stitch we have to work on 1 front double crochet stitch. Okay, in the same manner again we have to work on 1 2 3 chain. Okay, now again we have to skip the 2 clusters of 2 double crochets, 1 and 2, and into the next double crochet stitch we have to work on 1 front double crochet. Like this we have to skip 2 clusters of 2 double crochets, and into the next stitch we have to work on 1 front double crochet. Look, now we have to skip the 2 clusters there, and into the next stitch we have to work on 1 front double crochet. Like that we have to work till the end. Look, I have completed in all the spaces. Now we have to make a slip stitch into the starting double crochet stitch. Okay, uh, now into the next chain space we have to work on 1 single crochet. Okay, and 2 single crochets, and again now we have to work on 2 double crochets. 1, sorry, it's 2 half double crochets. Okay, 2 single crochets, 2 half double crochets, 2 double crochets, 1 and 2, and next we have to work on 3 triple crochets into the same chain space. So far 1, 2, in second triple crochet we have to work on 3 chain. Okay, 3 chain and a picot stitch into the starting of the triple crochet, and we have to work on 1 more triple crochet into the same chain space. So far 3 triple crochets. Again now what we have to do is we have to decrease it because it's a leaf pattern, right? Into the same chain space now work on 2 double crochets, 1 and 2, again 2 half double crochets, 1 and 2, okay, now work on 2 single crochets, 1 and 2. Look, it will look in this manner in a leaf like structure. Now into the next chain space what we have to do is the continue the same pattern with 2 single crochets, 2 half double crochets, 2 double crochets. Okay, first 2 single crochets, 2 half double crochets, 1 and 2, 2 double crochets, 1 and 2, and 2 triple crochets, 1 2, okay, 2. Now again work on 3 chain and work on a picot stitch, and work on one more triple crochet. So far 3 triple crochets. Okay, into the middle triple crochet we have to work on a picot stitch so that the corner, the point, it will point out. Okay, now we have to work on 2 double crochets, 1 and 2, and 2 half double crochets, 1 and 2, and 2 single crochets, 1 and 2. Okay, look, it will be looking like this. In each and every space we have to work in the same manner. So if you have any doubt regarding to this double crochets and all these stitches, you can check out my playlist and learn all the stitches. I hope you understood this video. Please do subscribe if you like the content, like the video. It will encourage me to do more other videos like this. Do share to the family and friends who love crochet like us, and don't forget to comment. Thank you so much for watching the video.